And there's no need to take a stand, for it was I who chose to start. I see no reason to take me home. I'm old enough to face the dawn. Just call me angel of the morning, angel. Just touch my cheek before you leave. Just call me angel of the morning, angel.
Y expresa su consentimiento delante de Dios y de la Iglesia.
Yo, Guillermo, te acepto a ti, Alejandra, como mi esposa. Y prometo serte fiel, próspero y en la pureza, en la salud y en la enfermedad. Amarte y respetarte
If morning
todos los días de mi vida.
says we've sinned, then it was what I wanted to hear.
Como mi esposo. Y prometo serte fiel en la próxima.
And if we're victims of the night, I won't be blinded by the light. Just call me angel of the
El
morning,
Señor confirme este consentimiento a tu Santa Iglesia y cumpla los deseos de bendición
baby.
de Dios.
Just call me angel
que no
of
falte
the
lo
morning,
necesario en nuestro hogar.
Yo lo recibo. En señal de cuidado que tendré de que todos se aprovechen.
Señor Jesucristo, que dijiste a tus apóstoles, la paz les dejo, mi paz les doy. No tengas en cuenta de los pecados de la fe de la Iglesia.
baby, baby. Just call me angel of the morning,
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, and lose my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together.